Okay, we've got results coming through from Ghana Oil. PAT is higher than what we saw in September of 2010. Is it on the back of better oil prices, higher production from Ghana?
Well, actually, it's largely on the back of increased sales volumes. The way it works over here is that this is for refined petroleum. They usually revised on a quarterly basis. They haven't been changed since January of this year. So for that reason, we suspect that most of the growth is a result of...
But Nii, there have been some challenges that Ghana Oil has incurred on the operational side. What bearing has that had on their balance sheet?
Well, actually, it's not been that significant. What we've been seeing and on the balance sheet is actually strong growth. Rebrand their image, and so they are investing a lot in terms of upgrading the faces of their branches and the like. But other than that, there hasn't been much significant things going on that front.
Okay, earnings per share at 32 Pasawas. I hope I said that correctly. About 32 cents is what we'd say. Is that good value for investors?
I think. Could you please repeat that?
All right. I just wanted to know the earnings per share, Nii. Value for investors?
Yeah. It's definitely a good buy. We rate it a buy at the moment. But basically, in terms of the growth prospects for that stock, they are looking to venture into the upstream market somewhat. And it's likely that they may be raising some capital in the future to develop some gas infrastructure. But that, in our view, would mean doubling the size of their balance sheet. So unless they come to the market with concrete plans on what they're going to do on that front, the situation remains uncertain, and it will be. But definitely at its current value, it's a good buy for investors at 17. For sure.
Okay, Works also has Q3 results. Your views?
Well, basically, it has been loss-making for a while. Works' story, basically, it's a flat rolled mill and company, and it produces aluminium flat rolled sheets. And because where it usually gets its raw material sources from, it was largely closed down for quite a while. They were loss-making, but it's slowly returning to profitability now. We guesstimate that by the end of this year, they would be fully back in the black. And yes, improving fortunes. To date this year, it has done, I think, it's been up 30% or so.
Okay.
And so we're just we are quite positive about its numbers.